starting a home business on a budget. There are so many people out there who dream of starting their own home business, and they always wonder how it feels having to have power over your finances without depending on a job. There are those people who are happy with their work but they want to start their home business so that they can pay for the extra expenses, but the problem is that they do not have enough extra money to put in a new business. You can make your dream come true if you are that person who wants to start a home business but you do not have adequate finances. The solution to your problem is the World Wide Web. This service has really helped many people to start their home businesses with very little amount of money. People with limited budget have been helped by this service, and now they are competing with the big companies. Anyone who is in a position to sell or offer services, he is able to create a website and take advantage of the free tools on the internet. It is cheaper to start an online home business. This is because with the traditional business, there are important overhead expenses which have to be paid before you even start earning. Some of these overhead expenses include rent, stock budget, ads, insurances and many other expenses. When you consider the online business, you will realize that you will not pay rent because your room is the cyber and your home is your office. You can also find cheap shippers who will ship products to your clients. This can be done by searching in the internet for various price options for both shippers and websites builders. The best place for you to start your home business on your budget is eBay. This is because so many people shop on eBay every now and then. They are also looking for various products. The reason why eBay is such a great place is because the traffic already exists. The other advantage is that the eBay does the ads for the marketers, and the only thing that you can do is to go there and put your post about the product. The other way that you can get cheap ways of marketing your product is through the affiliate programs. This simply does this by allowing you to put your links on other websites, and whenever someone clicks on your link, you become an affiliate and you make money. Whatever type of business that you are doing on the internet, you should make sure that you do it as a business. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with new uploads. For more information, kindly check the links below.